Welcome to E-Content Development and myself Dr. Balasubramaniam, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Zoology, Government First Grade College, Chintamani. Students, today we will discuss about the water canal system in the porifera. Water canal system in the porifera. Learning objective of the topic: to understand the asconoid type of water canal system and syconoid type of water canal system, and to know the asconoid and syconoid canal systems with examples. Session outcome: the students will be able to understand the asconoid type of water canal system as well as syconoid type of water canal system along with the examples. Now recap of the previous classes. So we studied the general characters of porifera along with the classification of phylum porifera with examples, and a sycon morphology, microstructure of the body wall, that is histology of the cellular structures, and sexual reproduction. Now water canal system. What is water canal system? Water canal system is a characteristic feature of phylum porifera. It is a diagnostic character of the phylum porifera. Now since the animals are living in the water, now the water canal system plays a very crucial role in the survival and reproduction of the members of the phylum porifera. Now what is water canal system? How to define water canal system? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ perforations or pores on the body surface to ingress and egress of the water. So inflow of the water and outflow of the water currents. To have this type of system in the body, so the water canal system plays a very important role. So the entire body has the pores, and these pores meant for inflow of the water and outflow of the water. Generally the outflow of the water is slow because the inflow is more, and in the spongiocele the water is there and the outflow is only through the osculum, and therefore the flow of water is very slow. Matte water flows through certain system of spaces collectively known as canal system. Water flows through a certain system of spaces collectively known as canal system. So this is a characteristic feature of the phylum porifera. Now functions of the water canal system: food and oxygen enter the cells, and carbon dioxide and excreta and reproductive bodies are carried out from the organisms. The water current is caused by bearing of flagella of collar cells or choanocytes. ಈಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 types of water canal system is there. Now in this class we study about the asconoid type of canal system and syconoid type of canal system. Now asconoid type of canal system, it is the simplest type of canal system. It is found in ascon, leucosonia, and Olanthius stage in the surface of sycon. Olanthius stage in the sycon. So this is the where the asconoid canal system is found. Now it has minute pores called incurrent pores or dermal ostia. The pores are intercellular spaces within the tubes like cells called the porocytes. Next one, the porocytes open radially into the spongiocele. So the flow of water engide from outside, the water enter to the incurrent pores or ostia. From the incurrent pores, the water enter the porocytes, and from the porocytes they open to the spongiocele. Next one. The spongiocele is single large spacious central canal in the ascon. ಮತ್ತೆ spongiocele open to outside through a narrow circular opening, the osculum, located at the distal end, often fringed with the large monoaxon spicules. So the spongiocele is there in the center of the organism, and the spongiocele opens outside through a narrow circular opening called osculum. So osculum meant for exit of water, located at the distal end, often fringed and often covered with large monoaxon spicules. See, monoaxon spicules form the border or form the edge of the opening, that is the osculum. Now, course of water flow in the oscular type of canal system. So dermal pores in the internal ostia hogutte. From internal ostia, the water enter the spongiocele. From the spongiocele, there is a large cavity found in the center. From the spongiocele, the water now passes to the osculum, and this osculum leads to the exterior. The water goes outside, and again from the outside, the water into the dermal pores. So this is the schematic representation of oscular type of canal system. ಎರಡನೇ cycloid type of canal system. It's rather more complex than the oscular type, and it consists of pores and canals. Now, body wall of cycon includes two types of canals, namely incurrent and radial canals, paralleling and alternating with each other. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cycloid type of canal system ಅಲ್ಲಿ the organism undergo folding. So that means the body wall undergoes folding. When the body wall undergoes folding, then it leads to the formation of the incurrent canal and the radial canal. Now both these canals blindly end into the body wall but are interconnected by minute pores. Next, incurrent pores are also known as dermal ostia, are found on the outer surface of the body. Now, incurrent pores are also called dermal ostia or ostium, found on the outer surface of the body wall. The incurrent canals are non-flagellated as they are lined by pinacocytes. The incurrent canal are lined by pinacocytes. So you can observe here, the incurrent canal are lined by pinacocytes. So they are non-flagellated cells. On the other hand, the radial canals are flagellated as they are lined by coinocytes. So as you know, pinacocytes are spindle-shaped cells. They cover the cycon exterior, while the collar cells are the coinocytes. They are found in the inner layer of the spongiocele. Now in the cycon type of canal system, the spongiocele is narrow, non-flagellated cavity lined by pinacocytes. Next one. It opens to the exterior through the excurrent opening called osculum, which is similar to that of the oscular type of canal system. So this is the diagrammatic representation where the water is entering. So there is the what we call dermal ostium, and from the dermal ostium, the water enter to the incurrent canal. From incurrent canal, the water enter to the prosophile. From the prosophile, the water enter to the radial canal. From the radial canal, the water enter to the apophile. From the apophile, now the water enter to the spongiocele. Now from the spongiocele, the water exit through the osculum. So this is a flow of the water in the cycloid type of the canal system. So in the course of water current from outside, now the water enter the dermal ostia, then it moves on to the incurrent canal. From the incurrent canal, the water now enter to the prosophile, and from the prosophile, the water enter the radial canal, which is the flagellated chamber. Now from the radial canal, the water enter to the apophile. From the apophile, the water enter to the excurrent canal, and from excurrent canal, the water entered the spongiocele, and from the spongiocele the water entered to the osculum, and from osculum the water exit to the outside. So this is the now we understood about the canal system. We saw the definition of canal system, the functions of canal system. Following that one, we saw the Askenath type of canal system and Seikenite type of canal system. ಈಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Askenath type of water canal system found in the Ascan. It's not found in the Seikan or Grantia or Spongilla. And a question. The function of canal system in porifera is to transport the food and oxygen. It's not the bone cells or muscle cells or the blood. Canal system in the Seikan is Seikenite type. Ragonite type alla ಅಥವಾ Askenath type alla ಅಥವಾ Leuconite type alla. Spongiocele is lined by pinacocytes in sponges. It's not collar cells or spindle shaped cells or myocytes. So in fact lined by pinacocytes. Dash waters. So Ascan occurs in the marine waters. So brackish water alli alla ಅಥವಾ fresh water alla ಅಥವಾ estuary alla. So I hope you have an idea now on the canal system of sponges. Thank you.